As summer's warmth fades, a breathtaking transformation sweeps across the temperate world. Forests ignite in a symphony of reds, oranges, and golds, painting landscapes with an ephemeral beauty. This annual spectacle, a cherished sign of the changing seasons, often evokes wonder. But beyond the sheer aesthetic lies a profound biological mystery. What intricate processes orchestrate this magnificent shift? And why do leaves, once uniformly green, burst into such an astonishing array of hues? This is Mundane Marvels, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. And today we're talking explaining why do leaves change color? Nature's annual masterpiece. For much of the year, leaves are defined by a single dominant color: green. This verdant hue is no accident. It is the visual signature of chlorophyll, the primary pigment responsible for life-sustaining photosynthesis. Within specialized structures called chloroplasts, chlorophyll molecules capture sunlight's energy, converting carbon dioxide and water into glucose, the plant's food, and oxygen, which we breathe. Chlorophyll is incredibly efficient at absorbing the red and blue wavelengths of light, which are crucial for photosynthesis. However, it reflects the green wavelengths, which is why our eyes perceive leaves as green. During the spring and summer, when sunlight is abundant and temperatures are warm, trees are in their prime production phase. They continuously manufacture large quantities of chlorophyll, ensuring their leaves remain vibrantly green and tirelessly working to fuel the tree's growth. This continuous production masks all other pigments that might be present in the leaf, keeping them hidden beneath a verdant curtain. The relentless green of summer is not destined to last. As the earth tilts away from the sun, signaling the approach of autumn, a critical shift occurs. Days grow shorter and nights grow longer. Temperatures begin to drop, and the intensity of sunlight diminishes. These environmental cues act as a signal to deciduous trees, those that shed their leaves annually, that the growing season is drawing to a close. With less available sunlight and colder conditions, the efficiency of photosynthesis decreases. It becomes more energetically costly for the tree to maintain its chlorophyll production. In response, trees begin to prepare for winter dormancy, a period of reduced metabolic activity. One of the first and most crucial steps in this preparation is the gradual cessation of chlorophyll production. The existing chlorophyll molecules, which are inherently unstable, begin to break down. Unlike other pigments, chlorophyll is constantly being produced and degraded. When production stops, the degradation process continues unchecked. Slowly, steadily, the dominant green pigment fades, revealing the true palette hidden beneath. This decomposition of chlorophyll marks the initial stage of the leaf's spectacular transformation. As the green disappears, the first new colors to emerge are often brilliant yellows and fiery oranges. These hues are not newly created pigments. Rather, they have been present in the leaf all along, patiently waiting for their moment in the sun. These are carotenoids, a family of pigments also found in familiar foods like carrots, corn, and bananas. Carotenoids play a vital role in the leaf's health during the growing season. They absorb light in the blue-green spectrum, helping to protect chlorophyll from excessive sunlight that could damage the photosynthetic machinery. They also contribute to the overall light harvesting process. However, their vibrant colors are completely overshadowed by the abundance of chlorophyll. Once chlorophyll breaks down, the carotenoids are unmasked. Their inherent stability means they persist in the leaf even as chlorophyll degrades, allowing their characteristic yellows and oranges to shine through. The intensity and specific shade of these colors depend on the concentration and type of carotenoids present in a particular species of tree. For example, the golden glow of an aspen or the deep orange of a sugar maple are direct results of these resilient pigments. While yellows and oranges are revealed, the striking reds and purples of autumn are an entirely different story. These vibrant colors are produced by anthocyanins, pigments that are not present in the leaf during the summer. Instead, they are newly synthesized in the autumn, often in response to specific environmental conditions. Anthocyanin production is a complex process. It begins when sugars, trapped in the leaf after the veins begin to close off, are exposed to bright sunlight and cool, but not freezing temperatures. These sugars are converted into anthocyanins, which accumulate in the leaf's cell sap. The more sugar trapped and the more intense the sunlight, the more anthocyanins are produced, leading to more vivid reds and purples. The function of anthocyanins in autumn leaves is still a subject of scientific debate. Some theories suggest they act as a protective sunscreen, shielding the leaf from damaging UV radiation and intense light, allowing the tree to recover valuable nutrients from the leaf before it drops. Other hypotheses propose that these bright colors serve as a warning signal to pests, indicating a healthy tree that has effectively prepared for winter. Regardless of their precise evolutionary purpose, anthocyanins are responsible for the breathtaking crimson of maples, the deep purples of some oaks, and the fiery scarlet of sumacs. 7:15 to 8:45. Environmental influences, the palete's intensity. The intensity and specific shades of autumn colors are not uniform year after year. They are heavily influenced by a delicate balance of environmental factors. The most crucial elements are sunlight, temperature, and moisture. A perfect autumn for brilliant color typically involves a warm, wet spring and summer, which ensures a healthy growing season and ample sugar production. This should be followed by a succession of sunny, dry days and cool, crisp nights in early autumn. The bright sunlight promotes sugar production, which is then trapped in the leaves by the cool nights, leading to robust anthocyanin synthesis. Conversely, extended periods of cloudy weather or unusually warm autumn nights can suppress anthocyanin production, resulting in more muted reds. Drought conditions earlier in the season can also stress trees, causing leaves to drop prematurely or produce less vibrant colors. Heavy rain and strong winds during the color change can also strip leaves from trees before their peak, shortening the display. It is this intricate dance between genetics and environment that makes each autumn unique. This process is crucial for the tree's survival. By shedding its leaves, the tree minimizes water loss during the frozen winter months, when water is scarce or locked up as ice. It also eliminates waste products that have accumulated in the leaves throughout the growing season. The fallen leaves then decompose on the forest floor, returning valuable nutrients to the soil, completing a vital cycle of life and renewal. The brilliance of autumn is not just a beautiful ending, but a necessary preparation for the dormant season and the promise of new growth in spring. The changing colors of autumn leaves are far more than a simple shift in hue. They are a complex, finely tuned biological process, a testament to nature's intricate engineering, from the tireless work of chlorophyll to the vibrant reveal of carotenoids and the deliberate creation of anthocyanins. Each stage tells a story of adaptation, survival, and breathtaking beauty. It is a reminder that even the most commonplace natural phenomena often hold the deepest and most fascinating secrets. For more stories of the everyday, subscribe to Mundane Marvels.